Got my big man knife with me. It was either this or a little box knife. It was either this or this. If you've seen some of the older videos on the channel, Keith, in those videos, my buddy Keith, he actually gave me this knife for Christmas last year, so I've been using it. It's like insanely sharp and it's overkill, but it gets the job done. We are unboxing, as I'm sure you can see from the title of the video, the Halo Black wheel covers for Teslas. In this case, it's for our 2019 Tesla Model 3. Dual motor. None of that matters when it comes to wheels though. We have the 18-inch wheels. And the only reason I'm replacing them is because our wheel covers have fallen off. As you can see by looking at the car, we're missing that one. That's our last wheel cover. The other side of the car is missing both. So we got a nice piece of foam. Say what, probably 1/2 inch thick, Matthew? My brother's filming. 1/2 inch thick foam. That's good packaging. Looks like wheel protection tape. The wrench for the center lock caps. And then all of the caps for all the wheels. It looks a little complicated, but I know it's not too bad because of the videos I've seen on YouTube. It's actually pretty easy. All the accessories should be here. Put the knife where I probably give myself credit. Alright. Allen wrench. All the tools are supposed to be included that you need. Oh. And you get a pair of gloves. I forgot about this. We'll have to put these on later. Maybe I'll just do it now. They're so small. Gotta install them. Gotta have the gloves on. What other wheel covers come with custom gloves? This is crazy. And look at that. I mean, it looks like I'm unboxing a phone, man. Here's all the instructions. Should we do like kind of figure out how to put one on and then show them how to do it? Maybe. Yeah. Those are your wheels, aren't they? I think those are no. Model 3? What? Power Sport wheels or turbine? What inches? Do you have 19s?
They're these ones, I think. There might be one of them.
You have
I got
19s or
19s.
20s?
Got 19s.
19s.
So just look for 19s.
19s. Model 3.
Is that the one?
Sport wheels. It's either one of those two.
And I got...
You have the sport wheels without the center cap, don't you? You have
No,
the
I got
black
the center cap. I got the center
There
cap.
you go. So they make them for yours.
That's sick. And it's the H2. I don't know what that means.
That's
but...
these.
Oh.
So I'm thinking
Sick.
those would work for your car like right now, I think. I don't know. His car is a Model 3 also. What year?
2020.
2020. His is a 2020. It's a dark gray, so it'd look good with these black wheel covers. This is kind of cool. Like concept art or something. These feel really weird. It's interesting.
Look like
feeling.
Michael Jackson gloves.
Yeah. Alright. Let me set this down. Definitely gonna need that later. Tools. Oh, these are sick. They smell kind of interesting too.
Whoa. Looks pretty cool. What does it feel
What does
like?
that say?
Okay, it's just hard plastic.
Returns not eligible if the tag is removed.
Oh, shoot.
So we'll keep it on.
Try it on first.
Keep it on, try it on. And then I'm guessing it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, cool.
I don't know what I expected.
Cool.
It looks cool.
It's pretty official. Like, it's like unboxing an iPhone.
Yeah.
not what I
or
expected.
like an Xbox.
And the crazy thing is, on their website, these are about $200 normally. I think like 209, 219, somewhere around there. I got these for 196. They were having some kind of sale. But literally, and at least online it looks like it, but they might be different. Every other wheel cover with a design on the front is like $400. Why would you want to pay $200 extra just for some stuff on here that no one's going to care about, and you're not even going to see it while you're in the car? I'm cheap. $190, man. All right. So we figure out what to do. We do always have to have these tools because when we go to get our tires rotated, we have to take these off. They can't. Because these cover the whole face of the wheel, see? So once they're on the car, they're gonna cover the entire wheel. They're gonna look good, I think. I don't think they're gonna look that bad. But the tire shop that does the rotations isn't gonna be able to rotate them if these are on. So we'll take them off before we go there.
They look like an easy install.
Yeah, it's pretty
You
simple.
just honestly probably clip them on.
This thing goes on first. I know that, but I need to see exactly how. I have 18-inch aero wheels on the Model 3, so I need H1s. I'm guessing I need these and these. They make different center caps too. Cool, like anodized metal ones. Step number 1, remove the OEM wheel covers and hubcap. Well, that's already done because the wheel covers fell off. Step 2, clean the surface and apply the provided protective tape. They want me to provide... Oh, they want you to put protective tape on the edge because I saw earlier that people complained that these wheel covers
Like wear off.
left marks on the wheel. But
Oh.
now there's nice rubber. Or it should be. I can't feel it through the glove. Is it rubber? Use your other hand.
Yeah.
Feels like
It's like
rubber.
honestly feels like table tennis rubber.
Oh, it's grippy.
Yeah. It feels like table tennis, bro.
Yeah, it is kind of.
You could probably use that.
So that's good. They
table tennis,
addressed that issue. Yeah, it's the H2.0.
Nice.
The 1.0 probably had no rubber and it didn't come with that tape. I'm not going to use the tape because our wheels are already curved and we have almost 200,000 miles. We're going to sell the car in a year. So, but you guys can use the protective tape if you want. That's crazy. We sell this tape at work and we use it. It's just not the perforated one. We use the all black one that looks like electrical tape, but it's protective film tape. That's crazy. All right. So step 1 and step 2 are basically done. Insert the left hub insert, red and black color scheme, green and black color scheme is the right hub. So the green and black is for the right side of the car. The red and black is for the left side of the car. Okay. That's why it's center lock R and center lock L. So these are for the left, that's for the right. And it says here, select the appropriate center cap based on the center cap compatibility chart. The H2 center lock cap must be used with the washer. Hold the right wheel center lock body and rotate the limit ring counterclockwise until it reaches the middle. Back, we're going to be using the H1 center lock cap. These we won't even touch and we won't use them at all because we don't have the wheels that those are supposed to fit. So it was that simple. I just didn't really see that in the beginning. I thought we were going to use them all. And these white tags are the same as the ones on the wheel covers. If you break it, you can't return it if you cut the tag. Now it says to hold this center lock body and rotate the limit ring counterclockwise until it reaches the middle position. So I'm assuming...
Do they mean? Oh no.
Nothing's
Does
really
it mean
happening.
on the car.
Maybe I need to push.
What does the middle position even look like?
Yeah, what is the middle? Oh, look at the illustration. It's about half threaded here and half threaded here. I think they mean middle
In
on
the middle
this.
of both.
In the
Yeah.
middle on the body of of this. But then that wouldn't be counter. Counterclockwise threads it off.
Did it originally start on though? All the way?
Either way, that's halfway. It's about halfway. Please note that when installing the center lock on the left wheel, the direction of rotation of the center lock is opposite. Okay, so yeah, that's why it says hold the right wheel and counter. So the right ones, these are going to be counterclockwise. This had to have been clockwise. Perfect. So press the center lock mechanism and insert the lock body into the hub. Release it to secure the body. So this is going to go straight into the hub. Check that the center lock is in place by attempting to pull it out. Okay. And then we use that metal tool
To tighten
to
it.
tighten this.
And then you put the wheel cover on and then put the other thing on. Put the hub.
Remove the warning label. Align the washer. This illustration, step 8 is only for the H2s, so we won't be doing that. We'll go straight to that one.
Which is just putting it on. Cool.
Put it on,
do
and
it.
then on, and then this will go
On that.
on the outside of the wheel
Yeah.
cover,
Yeah.
and then this
We'll go
should
on
go
that.
on this,
Yeah.
something
Cool.
like that.
All right, let's
It
do it.
seems very.
Okay.
All right. So that should go over directly into the hub. It looked easy online. I do have a mallet. I could smack it with a plastic mallet. I might have to do that. I don't want to break this. Oh, that was easy. Cool. I just had to bump it a little. And it said it's going to be counter. It seems like it's getting tighter. Doesn't feel like it, but that's pretty tight.
Cool.
Crazy. Cool. Are you recording? Oh yeah. Okay, so we're here. We're putting on the wheel cover. It should go over this. And we do want to show that this wrench actually has a bottle opener on the end. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bottle cap symbol and an arrow pointing to the cap and a little bottle opener. So that's kind of cool. I guess it's probably time to cut this.
Well, it's not going. Yeah, I was about to
I
say.
might as well just cut them off. I was going to try to install it without cutting them just to see. But might as well follow every instruction. Alright, guys. So if you get to this point and you see that that's not popping out through the hole and it doesn't look like it's going to fit, check this out. Just drop that in. And it sticks way out and it's all threaded. So it should go right on. Feels good. I need to get the wrench. But that should... Maybe I can hand thread it for a little bit.
This is gonna be counterclockwise, all right?
You want to grab the wrench?
Yeah.
Where did I put it? Check the box.
Yeah, it's in here.
Cool. Yeah, it'll be counter, I think, but does it say... I think it says backwards. You know what? I'll check right now.
It's gonna be counterclockwise.
It'll be clock?
That's what it looks like, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. My phone is bugging me. There we go. I'm waving. Yeah, these gloves are kind of nice. They're super thin, which give you a lot of feeling, so you can still feel the wrench and feel everything you're holding to tighten stuff up, but they have a lot of grip. And if you don't drive a lot, then you're really not going to have to do this very often because you're not going to get your tires rotated as much. We get our tires rotated about once every month and a half. Yeah, you want to pause it. As we just finished tightening that up, I mean, you didn't really miss anything. He just had to help me hold down the outside and do it. If I messed with it for long enough and yelled and screamed, I would have gotten it. It wasn't hard. So it's pretty much rinse and repeat. After step 10, which is what we just finished, it says insert the hex screw into the center hole of the center lock cap and tighten it. So we should be using, and the recommended torque is 4 to 5 Newton meters. They don't give you a torque wrench, so if you have one at home, definitely use it. We'll just go hand tight. Alright guys, so we got the Allen key and the Allen wrench, and we have the bolt here. So we're going to put it in the middle of the center cap lock, and we're just going to tighten that up. I'm just using the tools that came with the kit to show you guys that that's possible to do it. But you guys can always use tools that you have laying around. This would be a lot easier if I use my drill. I also wonder why there's 2 washers on this. Maybe there just needs to be. That's strange to me. It hasn't stopped moving yet. It's starting to slowly stop. I guess I'm gonna go till it's flush. It feels like it's more than 4 or 5 Newton meters. I should probably, I backed it off a little. I don't want it to break. And then we put the center cap on. Looks like these pegs go into these tracks around the wheel. There you go, it's in. So it's rinse and repeat that. Once you know how to do it, it's about a 5-minute process for each side, maybe less. So 20 or less minutes and you should have the whole car done. The other took us probably about 10 minutes altogether. I would say if you're gonna clean the wheel, put the protective tape on and do all the steps, probably half an hour, maybe less. But it looks pretty cool. Seems like it's gonna be super aerodynamic. That was the first one we did. That's the one he just put on. And then the other 2 I did on this side look the same, just the other side of the car. We just washed our car last week. It's so dirty. We drive a lot, 43,000 miles a year. So this should make a big difference. I would say probably 43,000 a year, give or take 1,000. But 2019 Tesla Model 3 dual motor, long range. 175K right now on it, maybe a little over that, but right around there. But yeah, this should make a big difference. I only have one old wheel cover left. I'll give it to my buddy. He's got a same car but standard range plus, and he's got the Aero wheel covers. He doesn't need one right now, but eventually he will, and I'll have that for him when he needs it. Cool guys, thanks for watching, like and all that crap, subscribe and everything. Go over on X, check me out on X, follow me there, and I'll post some updates on our new efficiency. I'll take a picture of the current watt hours per mile, because we've been driving with 3 wheel covers for a long time, so that's super inefficient. So we should have an accurate reading in the car when it comes to watt hours per mile over the last 5,000, 10,000 miles or whatever. That we've been driving with 3 wheel covers, so, and then this will make a huge difference. I'm sure we'll see it. All right, cool guys, thanks for checking it out. Peace. Okay, stop it.